Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Success Supplements. So, there was once a donkey who hadn't eaten or drank anything for several days and was about to die. Luckily, he found a bale of hay and a bucket of water. He looked at the hay and back to the water. Again, back to the hay and back to the water. And so, he couldn't make any decision and collapsed and died out of starvation and dehydration. You see, many a times we are like the donkey. We tend to overanalyze the situation, do all the possible calculation that makes it look so complicated, and usually we end up not taking any decision at all, simply because we were too afraid that it might be wrong. So, if you find hard making decision, try this technique by Jeff Bezoz, the owner and founder of Amazon. What he likes to call is the 80-year projection. So before making any decision, just see yourself in the future, about 80 years from now, and see whether you will be happy making that decision or not. So one day, when you grow old, even if the decision you took was wrong, at least you'll be happy that you stepped out of your comfort zone and decided to chase your dream, which most people don't, and took the opportunities that were in front of you. The worst decision you can take is not to make any decisions at all. So 80 years from now, when you grow old, you will regret realizing that you had all the opportunities in your hand, but you was too afraid to make any because you thought it was wrong. Let me tell you this, that there are no wrong decisions, they are just learning opportunities. And this is the beauty of life, that you can always make another decision if you fall short of achieving your goals, and that it will only teach you to become a better person. And always remember to make your decisions with a clear mind, away from the pressures of society, friends, or families, with a peaceful mind and not in desperation for goals. And always question yourself that after 80 years or a few years, will you be happy making that decisions or not? So, instead of saying to yourself one day, make your decisions now and start with your day one in achieving your goal. So that's it for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.